Ever wondered how Beam Wallet, a privacy-focused cryptocurrency wallet, actually receives your hard-earned money? It's a fascinating process that involves a blend of technology and trust. Let's dive in and demystify this intriguing aspect of Beam Wallet. Understanding Beam Wallet. Before we delve into the specifics of how Beam Wallet receives funds, let's briefly recap what it is. Beam Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, which means you, the user, have complete control over your private keys. These keys are like passwords to your digital fortune, and they're stored securely on your device. The role of the blockchain. At the heart of Beam Wallet's functionality lies the Beam blockchain. This is a decentralized, public ledger that records all transactions on the Beam network. When you send or receive Beam, the transaction details are added to a block, which is then added to the blockchain. Receiving Beam, a step-by-step breakdown. Generating a receiving address. To receive Beam, you'll need a unique address. Beam Wallet generates these addresses for you. These addresses are derived from your public key, which is a mathematical representation of your private key. Think of it like a digital mailbox. You give someone your address, and they can send you mail, or in this case, Beam. Broadcasting the transaction. When someone sends you Beam, they initiate a transaction. This transaction is broadcast to the network of nodes. Nodes are computers that validate and process transactions. Validation and confirmation. Nodes on the network verify the transaction's validity. They check if the sender has sufficient funds and if the transaction is correctly formatted. Once validated, the transaction is added to a block. Updating your wallet. Your Beam wallet constantly communicates with the network. It fetches the latest block information, including any incoming transactions. If a transaction is addressed to you, your wallet updates your balance accordingly. Privacy and security. One of the key advantages of Beam Wallet is its strong focus on privacy. When you receive Beam, your transaction details are encrypted, making it difficult for anyone to track your financial activity. Security measures. Strong cryptography. Beam Wallet employs advanced cryptographic techniques to protect your private keys. Regular updates. The Beam team releases regular updates to address security vulnerabilities. User education. It's essential to stay informed about best practices for securing your wallet. Receiving Beam is a seamless process that relies on the underlying technology of the Beam blockchain. By understanding the fundamental principles, you can appreciate the security and privacy benefits offered by Beam Wallet. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.